Hey, there's Bailey. Bailey, good girl, Bailey. You out here working on the farm? We got stuff to do today, girl, huh? Yeah. So, we're gonna start building out this particular area. There is water throughout this entire section of the Borden Urban Farm. And, we're gonna put in combination of flowers, herbs. We're looking for wildflowers that hummingbirds will really enjoy, like they do, all of those flowers up in there during a time of the year. We've got other trees in the property that are kicking out some great flowers, but we're going to add to that collection. We do have water running. We've got we've got pipe everywhere throughout the lot. We just don't know, what is working, what is not at this point in these parts of the yard. In other sections of the property, it's all irrigated. There are boxes everywhere, but we're going to customize this particular section, and we're going to start farming this. We're going to see what this. I'm going to tape it off. I'm going to see what kind of square footage this will yield, and go from there. And then, start teaching people, how we do what we do, why we do what we do, and get into the narrative, behind that, and what that looks like. This was an amazingly big tree. I have an idea of what I want to do with it. I have to check it out structurally and see if we could pull it off, but I really envision a tree house built up there that has a deck that spans over to that, comes around here to these trees, comes over here, and we create a nice shaded area for more growth. So anyway, take care. Have a great day, everybody.